Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you unboxing of Carpe Iter tablet with the controllers and holder. Boom, here it is. Box, the holder, okay, some cables. Let's get into that later. What's in the box? Open up very quickly. It's a cover with the tablet. Carpe Iter brand, very nice. 2 power pins here. Here's a power button, plus, minus, SD card and SIM card. Headphones, socket, USB socket. Okay. Switching on. Today is 11th of January 2022. These are the cables. First of all, let's try to pull the holder, and I will introduce the holder to you. So holder, boom, very easy. From holder there's a power cord connected to the power supply unit, which then splits in two. Okay, this is the additional power if those pins are not sufficient. Okay, and you have connection to the power unit of your bike. So that's that. Additionally, boom, lots of cables, but let me organize that quickly. Which should be connected to this little socket. So ones go here, have to be very careful. Second is here, you have to be careful with the pins inside, and of course just push it, screw it, and it will fix your buttons. So from the socket there's a wheel sensor, cable. I will not be using that, and of course power for those two devices, those two